Hi, my name is Valentina Castro and this is a tutorial about the endocrine system. The endocrine system is a collection of glands that produce hormones that regulates metabolism, growth, development, tissue and sexual functions, reproduction, sleep, mood, among other things. In the brain, we have three glands. One is the hypothalamus, that is the control and relay center of the endocrine system. Another gland is the pituitary gland, which is known as the master gland, and it produces a lot of hormones, but the most important are prolactin, that is the production of breast milk, thyroid-stimulating hormone, and the hormone of growth. Another gland in our brain is the pineal gland. It secretes the hormone melatonin, which regulates the pituitary gland and is associated with the biological clock. It is produced only on darkness. The thyroid gland produces thyroxine, which is the basal metabolic rate, and it regulates the amount of energy that our body needs. Also, it produces calcitonin that produces calcium. Behind the thyroid, we have the parathyroid gland, which produces parathormone, which is in charge of growth of muscles and bones. Between our lungs, we have the thymus gland. The T lymphocytes migrate from bone marrow to the thymus, where they mature and differentiate until activated by the antigen. It also produces thymosin, that activates the immune system by activating the T cells. Above our kidneys, we have the adrenal gland, which produces adrenaline, that prepares the body to fight. It increases the action of heart, increases the rate and depth of breathing, and it raises the metabolic rate. It also produces corticosteroids. The blood supply to the bladder and the intestines is reduced. The pancreas is an exocrine gland because it secretes enzymes into the small intestine. These enzymes are pancreatic amylase, lipase, and proteases. It also produces hormones such as insulin, which is in charge of the conversion of glucose to glycogen, and glucagon, which is in charge of the conversion of glycogen to glucose. In women, we can find the ovaries that produce mature ova. It also produces two hormones, estrogen, that breaks down the uterine wall, and progesterone, that builds up and maintains the uterus wall. In men, we can find the testes, that produce the hormone testosterone, which is in charge of the development and function of male sex organs.